Welcome back, ZBCN traders, lovers, investors. Today we're going to talk about ZBCN for Q4 2025. Okay, what we believe is going to happen for ZBCN in 2025. What we think about ZBCN going into October, November, and the end of the year 2025. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. We're going to share with you all our thoughts about the next bull run for ZBCN. All right, so this is first we look on the monthly chart. Okay, this is a monthly picture of the coin. Okay, let's look on the log scale. All right, so you can see we had very strong 1 month of May 2025. That was the bull run. Okay, the bull run, the ZBCN's bull run, May 2025. That was the bull run. Now since then, it's been squeezing here. Look at this beautiful squeeze, man. Look at this on the monthly, on the log scale. Look how beautiful it is. You had first sideways, another sideways, sideways, 4 months sideways. We're still in a sideways range, but you can see how it's contracting. You see the contraction here, which show you the candles becoming smaller and smaller here in the contraction. This was a big one. This was a big one. This was kind of big one. You see, this one is like a smaller one. And this now, maybe October, we believe October is going to be the breakout candle out of this triangle. Okay, we're going to show you the triangle now on a smaller time frame. But just to show you the monthly is very, very nice. Let's look on the RSI. Stochastic RSI, it's too big of a time frame. Let's look on the 2-week. Okay, so 2-week chart, you can start seeing the triangle, the consolidation here. Very nice. You had a pullback, boom, big pullback here, volatility after the pump. Obviously, after a parabolic pump, remember, always after a parabolic pump. This is why we always sell into parabolic pumps. We always take in profits when the coin is going multipliers. Okay, we're going to double, triple, quadruple, whatever. You always shave off of the position, take your profit, because we all know, after a parabolic pump, you have a parabolic crash. Okay, so that was a big crash. Again, nothing wow, very natural for a crypto. 60%, something like 60%, actually almost 70%. And then it's a consolidation here. This was a nice pump. And now let's look on the momentum here on the 2-week chart. This need to cross up, must cross up. You can see here that one here. You want to see it crossing back up. We have another 11 days for this signal to print another chart here, another signal. So we will see if we get a cross up and an angle turn up. This is very, very good. We want to see that. Let's look on the weekly. 1 second. Okay, you can see the weekly still in the low. You gotta get the weekly crossing up. We gotta get the weekly crossing up for the bull run to start, the big bull run, and the breakout of the triangle. We're gonna talk in a bit on what we expect in Q4 once it's gonna happen. But just to show you what to look for, this, you gotta look for that. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe to this channel. We're gonna keep you posted on all these signals, and click on the bell notification and follow me on X as well. On X, I'm posting a lot of stuff. All right, so we're waiting for this one to cross. Let's look on the 3-day. 3-day is doing like a double bottom here, which is lovely. Needed trending as well up higher. Okay. The most important are the weekly and the 2-week on this one. On the stochastic, because they trigger the big moves of the year. Okay, the bigger moves happen when the weekly cross up. You get the biggest moves of the year. You had one very nice one in April. Pretty much April it started and it went all the way to end of May, and we're waiting for another one, another signal like that will flash for October, which will probably continue till November, maybe even December. We'll see how the Bitcoin bull run continues. Now let's talk about like what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen now? Look, this is the triangle here. Okay, you can see the triangle. I'm mega bullish on ZBCN for this quarter. Mega bullish. I believe it's one of the best coins to hodl. Even though, disclaimer, I'm not holding anything. By the way, this is not a financial advice. This is not a financial advice. I'm holding nothing. I'm trading it. If I have a position, I have stops on it. Okay, so if it goes to my stops, I'm out. I don't care. All right, automatically. have stops on I have stops on the position. I have profit taking targets, and I'm swing trading it. As long as it's going up, I'm a happy camper. The position is printing. Okay, now look, we believe ZBCN is going to break out of the triangle in October. It could be early October, very early October. Okay, we're just on October 1st now. We believe very early in October it's going to break out of the triangle and start the next advance. Okay, start the next advance. Now we think this one this is a consolidation. We don't think this is a consolidation for like 6 months. Okay, from May till like October, 6 months, 5 months. Okay, so on the breakout here, we expect some major move and a trending move. Okay, something like this. Okay, again, I'm not, this is not a crystal ball. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just watching, and looking for something, something like a trending move. Okay, a trending move, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, but a very aggressive bull run once we clear the 7 mark. Okay, the 70s. Okay, here and definitely here, and we actually think that this was wave 1 of the ZBCN. All right, this was wave 2 of ZBCN. Okay, you can see this pullback here was wave 2, and now this started wave 3, which is bullish. And inside wave 3 you also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because it's usually the biggest wave. All right, so we had the one of the 3. Let's put it in a square. Okay, so the one of the 3 is in. The second of the 3 is in, we believe, here with the double bottom. Okay, we believe we completed the double bottom here of the second corrective leg inside of the third wave, and now we're going into the third. The third, we believe, will take the high. Hopefully, we'll take the high. Okay, probably gonna pull back for wave 4, and then you're gonna wave 4 of 3, and then you're gonna complete with the 5th. Okay, so just to sum up my mumbo jumbo. Okay, now what we think is going to happen. Look, let's see. Okay, so we have this fib extension tool. You can use this baby here for like projection. Okay, so we're looking for a move. This is 20 cents. Okay, this is like, we believe from here. What is it from here? That's like 4x. Yeah. So we think, again, conservative target for the next breakout. Once it break that triangle and start the move up around the 20s here, the 2 cent mark, then this is gonna be your, probably, again, this is like conservative target for the wave 3 top, and then you're gonna have a pullback, and then you're gonna have wave 4, usually wave 5, which will take you conservatively to around the 5 cent mark, or even if we're lucky, the this level here around the 80s, on the 90s, around the 9 cent, or the 10 cent. All right, so to sum it up, man, if we're lucky and we get a major move up in a breakout here, we think there is really no reason why ZBCN will not go to around the, again, you're going to have pullbacks, consolidation, chop, crashes along the way, but we believe it can go to the 10 cent mark, and we're going to analyze if it's going to do something like that, from the breakout, and then consolidate. Okay, so we'll have to adjust our prediction to much higher levels. Okay, we have to adjust according to the market. If it will do something nasty, like a pump, let's say it's pumping, make a higher high fake out and coming back down, that's bearish. Okay, so obviously we are adapting into the market data at the moment. What we think is going to happen, we're looking for around the 10 cent, 5 cent, 2 cents, for the next major move up, and if we're lucky, we can extend these targets. All right, guys, so thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Do yourself a favor, get yourself Bitunix account with the link below. The best exchange to trade crypto ever. You gotta get this exchange now when they're doing this, amazing, gifts and extremely low trading fees. Really check them out. Link below. It's absolutely for free. You also have tutorials on how to use the exchange on my channel. And man, really, if you trade crypto and you like to trade crypto, we invite you to join our VIP. You have a coupon below. You can scan the QR code, join our VIP. We have trade alerts coming now every day. This is an altcoin season. Bitcoin continue. Oh boy. You don't want to be all in one coin. Yes, we believe ZBCN will perform well, but you never know. It might chop sideways. It might underperform. And definitely you're going to have other coins which will perform a lot more. The job as a crypto trader, trade the best coins, really. We invite you to join our VIP, get all our trade alerts, all our market updates, and many more benefits. Join it, scan the QR code. If you trade with big money, if you trade with more than 5 digits, 6 digits and above, man, and you're looking for professional service, professional trade service and coaching service, check out Elliott VIP. See you in the next video. Cheers.